Bitcoin crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's October 4th, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamponi, bring in the data. The FOMO index has dropped to 20 from yesterday's 24. Bitcoin dominance is 40%. 24-hour volume is 53 billion. Heartbreakingly low. And the overall market cap is 956 billion. Give or take 100 million. Well, we talked about this, so it should have come as no surprise to anyone in this boutique community when Bitcoin price action had a little pump. I'd expect the test of the 50 and the 20 moving average down at 19.4. And I say we can flip them into support. We should make our way up to retest resistance at 19.8. Getting up and over her would put us at the corroborating level of 19.4. Maybe candlestick these two wicks up at 20.3-ish. Could happen, I suppose. And ask and ye shall receive. After price action tested, broke, and then retested the 20 and the 50 moving average, turning it into support, she kept going, making short work of the 200 moving average, peaking out 20.2 for coming back with a perfect little retest of our resistance line, which is currently transitioning into support. Now, if she holds and support is granted, we'll likely test her a couple times for building out a potential bull flag. The price probability of that pattern is, and sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 21.4-ish. Should we be celebrating just yet? Dad alert. Yes, just to err on the side of safety and caution, I'd be remiss if I didn't point out some bearish probabilities I say if support is not granted, we'll likely fall back into our ascending channel, currently at the 23% fib level. After that, we have corroborating levels of support with the 200 moving average, which is also the 38% fib level, aka Fibonacci sweetheart. At 19.7, breaking that will retest the 50% fib at 19.5. Then if she's so darn tootin', we have some pretty decent confluent support at the 20 and the 50, which is also the 61.8% fib level at 19.3. Nancy, on a Tuesday with a smiling face. Now over on the ding-dong, we're seeing some headwinds brought on by the Rodney Dangerfield of moving averages. The 50 moving average, we generally don't give the 50 too much respect, but in this case we did have an insta rejection from it. And I'm looking for support to hold down at the 20 moving average at 19.3. Failing that, we'll likely retest our descending channel support at 18.5. Why you gots to? We're getting a nice potential setup with the Dixie and the Legacy zombie markets. As the Dixie is curling down and the Legacy zombies, well, they're curling up. Creating some bullish headwinds for the Bitcoin price. So let's recount, shall we? The 4-hour chart is hoping to convert resistance to support, carve out a bull flag that could take us to 21.4-ish, with data alerts down at all fib levels, 19.7, 19.5, and 19.3. The ding-dong is seeing headwinds from Rodney Dangerfield, a.k.a. the 50 moving average, hoping for some support, 19.3, and a worst-case scenario, channel retest, 18.5. Honorable kudos going out to the Dixie and the legacy zombie markets for creating a bullish environment for Bitcoin to prosper in. And I'd like to end with a head nod to the S.E.C. for finally serving up some justice to one of the government's most corrupt and active abusers of all regulations, some of which she even helps regulate. Yes, Nancy Pelosi has finally been investigated and fined for hundreds of millions of dollars of inside trading her and her husband have been doing, and Lord... love a duck, that's incorrect. It's not Nancy Pelosi and her alleged hundreds of millions of dollars of inside trading her and her husband have been doing. It's Kim Kardashian. Yes, she did not disclose a $250K paid endorsement for ETH Max on her Insta. So Dirty Gary Gensler threw the book at her and fined her $1.26 million. And my friends, you just can't make this stuff up anymore. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected league. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. I'll run the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, ching. Make sure you like and subscribe.